Welcome back. I hope all of you are doing great. This is Mohammed Saqib. Welcome to my YouTube channel Saqib Tech, and we are learning Python programming. So, in today's lecture, we are going to practice some list questions. So, I hope after practicing these questions you will get more idea of list and this concept will be clear to you. So let's start. In last lecture I have told you how to get largest number from our list, and of course you will be able to find the smallest number from the list with a simple logic, because uh, I told you how to find the largest number, and the same trick goes toward the smallest number. If you did not watch that video, go back to the previous video and you will get idea about this. So number 2 and number 3 are already done. Number 1 I gave you task, you will be performing it. It is most easiest, okay? And still if you can't find the solution of question number 1, you can ask me, I will make a video for it also. But today's lecture we are going to solve two of these, question number 4 and question number 5. Okay, so what is the question number 4? It is to find second largest number in the list. So if you are able to find the largest number, then there is a simple trick to find the second largest number. We will look toward it. Let's start. Before we will solve question number 4, let's start. So program to find second largest number. Okay, so let's quickly create our list of numbers. Okay, I will create list 1, 10, 2, 8, 17, 69, 13, 48, 99, 102, 565, or 1023, or you can say 654. These are some numbers. I quickly created a numbers list. So what we will do, the logic to find second largest number, that if we found largest number or a maximum number, then we can find second largest number. So to find second largest number, first step is to find maximum number, find largest number. Okay, when we have find largest number, then we will be comparing that number with all other number. What we will check, we will check that the number will be greater than from all other number and will be lesser than the largest number. Okay, because the second largest number is smaller than first largest number and maximum are larger than all other number in the list. What I will do, first I will create maximum. I told you we should giving value to a maximum. I will give the first value of numbers list. How can I will give using slashing 0. So in maximum we stored first number. Now in loop for number in numbers, what we will do, we will be checking that if number, what we will check, we will check that if number is for example, yeah, if number is greater than maximum, what we will do, we will tell this method is to find maximum number. It is checking that number in the list is greater than the maximum number. So what it will do, it will do max is equal to number. So after this loop is completed, now we have maximum number, first maximum number. Okay, first maximum number. So we have first maximum number. What we'll do, we'll create another variable second max, s max. Okay, you can say second max, you can write anything. I'm writing s max for second max. I will assign value again to the first number. Okay, again to first number of a list. Now I will again go to the loop for number in numbers. What it will do, it will check that if number is greater than max, second max. Okay, because we are trying to find second max. If number is greater than second max, Now we have to check two things, that a number is greater than, for example in this list you can see that greatest number is 1023 and second greatest is 654. So after this code we have first maximum like 1023 in variable max. Okay, so now here max is equal to 1023. Now we need to find 664. What it will do, it will again go one by one. It will check that if a number, for example 1 is greater than max or not. If 1 second max, sorry, okay, because max is calculating now the all the stories for second max. Okay, so second max will be checked on all number on two criteria. First criteria is that if a number is greater than second max, okay, and what it will check, it will check number is less than max. Okay, means that for example if we look at 10 is greater than second max. Now second max has stored 1 because we stored numbers of 0 to the second max also. So 10 is greater than 1, right? Okay, one condition is met. Now what we'll check, we'll check that, and 10 is lesser than 1023 max. Okay, yeah, both are met. What it will do, we'll change the second max. We'll say second max is equal to number. Okay, after all the done, we will find our number. Now both are done. Okay, let's check it quickly. I will say print max is equal to, first we will display max number max, and print second largest is equal to s max. Now let's print it. You can see, yeah, second max, I need to write s max. Okay, s max. So here you can see that maximum number is equal to 1023 and second largest is equal to 654. That was an easy program. So our first program is done. Now let's quickly look at the problem of the second program.